right, that was a can of drained corn and a can of sweet cream corn. And now I have 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. I'm gonna pour them all over the top of that corn and cream corn. Let's just spread that out a little bit just because we can. Now I have some Mexican style shredded cheese. I'm just gonna put it all over the top. I'm gonna use about 1.5 cups of cheese for this recipe. All right. And then I have 8 ounces of sour cream, and I have this cute little container that just comes right out. That was awesome. I love that. Now I have 1 stick of melted butter. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so yummy. And now I have 3/4 cup of milk. Oh, okay, don't make a mess with your milk like I just did. And now I have 2 eggs that I already cracked. Oh, honey's licking up that milk. Now I have some ranch seasoning. And ooh, comes out fast. Okay, we want the equivalent of 1 packet of ranch seasoning, so I think that's good. And then I have a can of the diced green chilies. Did not drain this, it's not necessary. Perfect. Well, that looks great already, but we have to take a spoon and we're just gonna mix everything together right in our baking dish, break up those eggs. This is gonna be such a yummy and delicious cornbread. That's what we're making today. I don't know, is cornbread like an appetizer or like, I don't even know what to classify it as.
Side dish?
Yeah, maybe a side dish. Ooh, that is looking very interesting right now. But trust me, you guys, this is the best cornbread I've ever had. I love the little bit of hint of Mexican flavors that we have in here. I just think it really takes it to the next level. Try to get that powder off the sides if you have some of that going on. You could also just go ahead and mix this in a bowl. But you guys know me, I like to mix stuff in my baking dish, all right? I don't like to do dishes. Call me lazy if you want. That's okay. I will not get offended. Okay, that looks really good, really well mixed. I think those eggs got nicely incorporated in there and everything else as well. Let's just kind of flatten it out a little bit. And this is ready to go in the oven. It's set to 350 and it's gonna cook for 45 minutes. All right, you guys, this is fresh out of the oven. Ooh, it looks so good. I just gotta get me a nice big slice of our cornbread here. Oh yeah, and I did grease my pan. That's pretty important. Oh, look at how that came out. It looks awesome. Yum, it's so moist and fluffy. Oh, yes. It's really hot, so blow on it, okay? Whoa, that is hot, but it is good.